Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. How you doing? Today we're going to look at how to save your ChatGPT chats as a PDF. It's really simple. So going on to the left side, choose the chat that you want to save. Click on it. And from here on my keyboard, I'm going to press Control P, which will bring this page up. From here, you can click on Save as PDF. Then you choose which pages you want to save. Check on the left side to make sure you've got all the content that you want. You can also choose whether you want that to be portrait or landscape. When you're done there, click on Save. This screen will come up and you can choose the title of your file and where you want to save that. So desktop or download, something like that. Click on save and you are good to go. Your chat will be saved as a PDF. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos.